Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you're new here, I am Amanda, and in this video I will be showing you how to make shortbread biscuits. These ones will have raisins in them, but of course if you don't like raisins, just forget about the raisins. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you at the end. For this recipe you will need caster sugar, raisins, granulated sugar, plain flour, stalk, and a cookie cutter. Start by adding 125 grams of butter to a bowl, followed by 40 grams of caster sugar. Now what you want to do is cream together the butter and the sugar. Once it is well combined, add 200 grams of plain flour. At this stage I like to get my hands into the mix to really ensure that everything is well combined. You want to keep going until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. So go ahead and tip the mixture onto your work surface. And then if you want to keep your shortbread plain, then start to bring it together. However, if you want raisins, add 1 cup of raisins and then bring the mixture together. It may take a little bit of time, but what you're trying to do is bring it together, give it a little bit of a knead, and then it should create a dough. So once it has chilled, it's time to start rolling out the dough. I decided to do mine in 2 halves because it is quite a crumbly dough and the raisins don't help the matter. So I started with my little rolling pin and also used my hands to try and flatten it to about 1/2 inch in size. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here so that you can stay up to date with my latest posts. And if you make this recipe, do let me know either via YouTube or via Instagram. I would love to know. And lastly, if you have any recipe suggestions, then please do let me know, because I'm always looking for new things that I can make and create in my kitchen. Until next time, take care.